spinach, 3 eggs, 2 large aubergines, 6 small courgettes, and fontina cheese.
Mummy?
Yes, darling?
What's virgin mean?
Sorry, darling?
What does virgin mean?
Girls and boys, I mean grown-ups, bodies are different, but they're made to fit together in a very clever way. Like a jigsaw.
Like the jigsaw's grandpa does?
Yes. I mean, no. When a mummy and a daddy love each other a lot, then sometimes they like to show each other just how much they love each other.
Does Daddy give Mummy a present?
Sort of.
What kind of present?
Daddy has a special thing, and so has Mummy. And when Mummy and Daddy want to make something very special, to make a baby, then Daddy takes his special thing and puts it in Mummy's special place.
Winchester?
No.
The shoe shop?
No, darling. A special place on Mummy's body. And that makes Mummy feel very happy. Makes Daddy feel happy as well. And eventually, after a while, sometimes quite quickly, Daddy gets so happy, there's a sort of whoosh and an explosion, and all Daddy's little seeds shoot out and race to get to Mummy's egg. And that's called making love. Anyway, until you do it for the first time, you're, well, a virgin. I think that just about covers it.
So, what's extra virgin mean?